tatay. Letter B. Sila ang mga magulang ng iyong nanay at tatay. Sila ang mga magulang ng iyong nanay at tatay. Or the parents of your mama and papa. Who is it? Is it lolo and lola, kuya or bunso? Okay, very good. Now, number 4. Mahalaga bang pahalagahan ang pamilya? Is it important to take care of our family? Huh? Yes, you say opo.
Opo.
Opo. A, opo. B, hindi.
Opo.
Opo. So you circle your answer. Opo. Okay. Sino ang A, tatay? B, nanay. Nanay. Very good. Here. Okay. Sino ang tumutulong sa gawaing bahay at nag-aaral ng mabuti? Who help the parents and then who study hard? Is it lolo or anak? What's your answer? Lolo or anak? Anak. Very good. Now, do you remember two-parent family? Yes, this is two-parent family. A, two-parent family. B, solo parent family. C, extended family. Again, letter A, two-parent family. B, solo parent family. C, extended family. Now, here in the first picture, is it solo parent family, extended family, or two-parent family? This one.
This one.
Is it two-parent family, solo parent family, or extended family? Extended family. So, you will write letter C here on the blank. Okay, write letter C.
Letter C?
Yes, write letter C. Write letter C. Here, oh. Okay, how about this one? This picture, is it a eyes on here? Eyes on here. Is it a two-parent family, solo parent family, or extended family? Look, oh, my mama and papa, tsaka may anak. Is it a two-parent family, solo parent family, or extended parent family? Two-parent family. So you will write letter A. Okay, how about this one? Letter number 3. There's only one mom.
Yeah.
Now, is it two-parent family, solo parent family, or extended family? There's only one only, oh. No, it's solo parent family. Solo. So, what letter would you write if you see if the picture is yes, very good. So you will write at the block. How about this picture? Is it a two-parent family, solo parent family, or extended family? Extended family. So you will write letter C. Very good. How about this one? Is it two-parent family, solo parent family, or extended family? Two-parent family. Letter? You draw your family here. Draw. Make it beautiful. Small only. Too big na. This is your mommy. Kaya ilang makabansa para ka naman hindi na pressure sa iyo. More on pictures me.
Ang klain ganyan, di kasabot.
Okay.
Mami, ano yung ano mama? Unsa naman ka eh?
Isod, kaayo yun sila tuluan o kuan. Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Filipino. Saralpan nga rin na mo.
Yan kasi yung rules nila, mami. Speak English daw when nandun sa school.
Naghatag ba ako performance task, PowerPoint. Itong ginaklase na mo, gihapon ako teacher Rian. Na forward sa inyo.
Wala pa. Wala ko kabalot eh.
Kay mo matulang studyhan. Kay sa Monday mag-quiz.
Mura.
Pero nagpa-take note, nakuha to sila, naka-review ko.
Kung mga sabak kay ko ana. Pato ang akong ipakasabak kay di ko kalahutay siya ha. Maglusbil ang ilong.
Sabi kayo ni kayo, makita sa ko na, ikan ko grade 5 or ikan ko sa akong last, tulong na sa ilaha. Tagikan abroad.
Kagpos.
Grabe man kayo. Subato na ko ani nila.
Cute ganyan.
Asa daw ko gikan. Write this one here. This one. Two-parent family. Write it here. Here. Copy this. Two-parent family. This one here. Write it here. This one. Copy that. This one. This one. Because you are two-parent family. Binilan ako siya og maamamog ka nang wala gani answer. Siya lang mag-answer. Rintan ako siya daan.
Unsa oras mo magkuan?
Ugma, pinatahapon ugma walang practice.
Ang may daddy. Ako na.
Mga 1. Kami magubi pa practice kami para sa araw ng Miranda oy. Good choice.
Hapit na ba yung wala inyong klase, no? Kuan na. Kung saan siya ang araw ng Miranda?
But, usa siya na pizza, pero 1 week, magulat nila iyan, no? Magsugod ata, 14, 15, 16.
May kung abri unya pa siguro. Kawala daw, nilaw daw kayo. Hadlok sila ba, tsunami. Katong ni Agi kayo, di ba, sa Piña Plata? Taas ang tubig.
Taas ang tubig. Yung kalit na po doon. Kuan. Anong unas.
Nabuang naman yung kalibutan eh.
That one. This is tatay, lolo, pinsan, kiyo. Do you remember our song? Nanay at tatay, magkasama. Magkasama.
Ay, mao din.
Kasama. Lolo at lola, laging kilala. Tiyo at tiya, kasama sa saya. Kasama sa saya. Saya. Pinsan, pamilya, buot, ligaya. Again, nanay at tatay, magkasama.
Mo din eh.
Amay.
At to saman.
Magkasama.
Masamal. Mo day na. Kung ano samal dati.
Magkasama.
Magkasama daw. Pakantada ka ng bayang mag-iliw. Malingok.
Tatay, magkasama. Ma. Magkasama. Ma.
Magmasaman.
Not samal. Sama.
Sama.
Magkasama.
Like,
Magkasaman.
Magkasama.
Magkasama.
Nanay at tatay. Magkasama. Lolo at lola. Laging kilala. Tiyo at tiya. Kasama sa saya. Saya. Not sayang. Saya.
Sayang.
Pinsan din. Pamilya'y buod ligaya. Again. Nanay at tatay magkasama. Again. Nanay at tatay magkasama.
sama.
Masama.
Magkasama.
Not samal.
Sama.
Magkasama. Nanay at tatay magkasama.
Samal na samal.
Magkasama. Nasamal. Magkasama. Ma.
Ma.
Magkasama. 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 Nanay at tatay magkasama. Lolo at lola laging kilala. Tiyo at tiya kasama sa saya. Saya.
Sayang.
Saya.
Sayang.
Saya.
Sayang.
Saya.
Sayang.
Okay. Nanay at tatay magkasama. Ma. Magkasama lagi. Magkasama din mo. Amo maning ginakuan sila ba gina-integrate with mga kanta para mas dali nila maano.
Ito?
Puros kuyaw-yaw, puros words. Di ba na matatak sa ila.
Tama dito. Magkatawa ka sa iya lagi.
Sige. Again ha. Nana, tatay. Tatay. Lolo. Pinsan. Pinsan. Pinsan.
Pisa.
Pinsan.
Pinsa.
San.
Pisan.
Pinsan.
Pinsan.
Okay, that's your cousin ha. That's a cousin. Pinsan. Tiyo.
Tio.
Tiyo.
Tio.
Tito.
Tito.
Tiyo.
Tito.
Oh, that is a tito. Tiyo in Filipino is a tito in Filipino is a tiyo. A tiyo.
Tio.
You say tiyo.
Tio.
Okay, again here. Nanay at
Nanay.
at
Tatay.
tatay is the missing word. Now, where is the tatay now? Where is the tatay? Point. Here, tatay. This is tatay. So you will write here, tatay. Again, no, again. Nanay at tatay. Where's the tatay?
Tatay.
Tatay, where? You put it there. So you will write it on the block. That's the missing lyrics.
Correct.
Yes.
A lyrics is a song.
It's like a chanting, man.
Jumping man.
Chanting?
Jumping man.
Chanting.
Gaya.
Okay, very good. How about nanay at tatay magkasama? Sama.
Sama.
Lolo at lola. What's the missing word? What's the missing word? Oh, what is that? Lolo. Okay, you will write lolo here. Nanay at tatay magkasama. Lolo at lola. Okay, again, sing the bit. Nanay at tatay magkasama. Lolo at lola, laging kilala. Tio at Tio. What's the missing word? Oh, that's pinsan.
Pizza.
This is pinsan. Tio. What's the missing word? Tio. Okay, Tio. Tio, right? Tio.
Teacher.
Okay. Okay, last. This one. Again. Sing the best. Sing. 1, 2, 3, go.
No.
Nanay.
Nanay.
Tatay.
Magkasama.
Lolo at lola. Laging kilala. Tio.
Tio.
Tio at tiya. Tiya.
Tia.
Kasama sa saya.
Minsan.
Pinsan. What's the missing word? Pinsan. Pinsan.
Pinsan.
Okay, you read pinsan. Oh, that one. No, this one.
This one. This is a missing letter.
Missing word.
Missing word.
Okay, very good. Doon ka ni. Okay, ugma murag lisod. Math and science. Kasi may lang math karon. Kay ang approach sa ilang teacher kay pang higher grade. Ano deliver ni tanan bata is dali ra i-catch up ang kuan kanang topic. Except at mga bata dyan kabalo jud. Price ano sa ilaha. Kailangan nila kumunta ka alternative. Kato kaya wala man gibuhatag alternative. Ang ilang questions is like A, B, C, D. Gusto ko man pagbasa sa bata, anak. Awag itong gino ni change, goal nature, kay dili ka lang students, kaya ni. Kailangan na itong adjust.
Basta nagtuwa sila ba nga? Grade 5 na lang ituluan.
Lagi? Grade 3 mo ito siya, may naanad siya ba? Naku, di pwede yun. Come here. Oh, this is the last one.
It's a circle.
This is the last one. Okay. Helper.
Helper.
Strong.
Strong.
With.
With
Praying.
praying.
God.
God.
Helper.
Helper.
Strong.
Strong.
With.
With
Praying.
praying.
God.
God.
Okay, I will not. I
I
will
will
not
not
be
be
afraid
afraid
because
because
the Lord
the Lord
is my.
is mine.
What's next? I will not be afraid because the Lord is my. Ay, naku, yung memorize na. Nag-memorize na. Kaya nito, I will not be afraid because the Lord is my helper. Now, where is the helper now? Here. Helper, strong, with, praying, God. Helper. Helper.
Helper.
Okay, you're right here, helper. Strong.
Stronger.
Strong.
Line?
Helper.
Labay ni Mi.
Ha?
Ilabay ni Dali.
Helper.
Doon sa parking lot ha.
Okay.
Ito. Oh. Shh.
The Lord be...
Nasaan to?
Wala.
You answer.
Sa parking lot.
The Lord
The
Hindi na
Lord
kita
be
be
strong in the Lord.
strong in the
Okay,
Lord.
you write this. Where's the strong? What's the word strong? You point out asan ang word na strong. This is helper.
Helper, strong.
Oh, yes.
This is a strong.
Okay.
Helper.
Yes.
Ibutang yun sa pulisya. Bubulok. Careful ha.
Tapos kung mabasag.
Palugin ka. Simple as that. You have to take good care. Extra care, extra ingat.
What happened if someone bumped to me?
What happened if someone bump you?
Now here,
I will bump your
the
face.
verse never stop praying
Wait.
about and 1 Thessalonians 5:17. Ang katulgo na.
Itik-atik ra na, teach.
Last. This is the last one. Never stop praying. Where should we found that verse? 1 Thessalonians 5:17. What's the answer? Letter D. Circle. This is the last one. The verse, be strong in the Lord, teaches us God's strength. God's strength. God's strength. God's strength. Okay, very good. Circle the answer. Mhm. The Lord be with you teaches us what? Be kind and hopeful. Circle your answer. Be kind and hopeful. Yes. Yes. Okay. The story of the widow's jar of flour teaches us God provides for our needs. God provides for our needs. That. Okay, I will not be afraid because the Lord is my helper means A, God is always with us. B, we should be fear. Your answer. Very good. Okay, now write this. I will not be afraid because the Lord is my helper. Write it here. Okay? Yes. That's the last one. Tomorrow again. That one, this one. I will not be afraid because the Lord is my helper. Small only lang. It's too big. Yes. Big. Okay, go.